Okay.
Okay.
Camp number 3.
Camp 3.
We're here in the woods.
Shady Grove.
Shady Grove. Phoebe's excited.
Phoebe, are you excited? Yes.
I don't know how in the world we managed to bring more stuff than the last 2 times.
But we did it. We did it. We successfully brought more stuff.
We brought more stuff.
My wife is the expert at bringing more stuff.
This is exciting.
Okay.
Okay, we got a lot of work to do.
Yeah.
Let's go.
Okay.
Okay, so we didn't film our setup this time, but here is a look at the inside of the finished product. We have our little kitchen corner and our nightstands. This is a queen inflatable mattress with a memory foam topper because sleeping comfortably is obviously extremely important. Lots of little storage containers and bins to hold our clothes, our cozy stove with firewood, and there's our beautiful view to the porch.
Phoebe, are you the cutest? Look how cute you are. She get it from her mama.
Damn right.
Damn right. Action.
Okay, so we made it to our campsite and got set up. Okay, so we've been together for 10 years.
Yep.
We've traveled a lot of the United States.
We made our first international trip last year. Went to Scotland. It was amazing. We have a video for that too, which hopefully she'll get finished sometime soon. We can put
It's a
that
lot
on.
of footage. We were gone for 2 weeks.
2 weeks. We spent 2 weeks in Edinburgh.
Do you see that spider? He's hanging right in between me and the camera. You have to get him.
I don't
He's
see him.
literally hanging. You have to put your glass down and stand up. And
I don't see him.
I can't not kill the spider.
What?
Do you see him?
No, I don't see anything. Really?
Did you kill him?
Yeah, he's in between my fingers. You're the little dinkiest spider ever. So back to being a chicken shit over here.
Thank you for saving my life.
You're welcome.
We worked really hard over the last decade to accumulate stuff and set up house, and
We've realized the stuff isn't what makes us happy. It's the experiences and the travel. And I think that's the thing that's the most important to us, is enjoying this planet that God has given us, to truly embrace it and to enjoy the moments, enjoy the travel, enjoy the adventure. For tonight, I'm drinking Booker's 2024-03, the Master Distiller's Batch. This is a 7-year, 8-month, 7-day-old whiskey, 130.3 proof. That's strong stuff. That's really good. And my wife's favorite drink of all time, Mr. Monkey Shoulder. Enjoy relaxing, having a glass of adult beverage This is Mrs. Phoebe Barella Neebs, the Neebster. She is quite the travel dog as well. She's
Gone everywhere we have.
gone everywhere we have.
Really.
I'm excited for you to join us on our journey and watch us go and watch us grow, and it'll be fun.
Just said, now am I close enough? Can you see me?
Can you see me now?
Can you see me now?
Every now and then I think it's like a wolf or something.
Not a wolf, but maybe a coyote.
Listen.
That's coyotes.
Okay, so we slept good.
Yes.
Now it's breakfast time.
Beef ass.
Dogs are a little loud at this campsite.
Coyotes.
Coyotes are a little loud at this campsite. But other than that,
Very peaceful. Very quiet.
it's been quiet.
Stars last night.
We got some really cool pictures. Super excited to go through those. I'm hungry.
What? Not you.
Yeah. Now, breakfast is served. Bacon, scrambled cheesy eggs, toast with apricot fig? Big jam. Homemade too.
Yeah.
Your eyes got really big. And grapes. And there's the Sleeping Beauty. At her sweet little bed. Hi, Phoebe.
Why don't you tell everybody that that's stick number 2?
Stick number 2.
What happened to stick number 1?
I broke it. See, I was testing it to make sure it was going to be a good stick after I'd spent, a lot of time working on stick number 1. And turns out stick number 1 was not a strong stick. So I guess it's a good thing I didn't invest any more time in it.
Broke my stick.
Yeah,
You
this
broke
is
my heart.
Look at all this red in it. I broke your stick on campsite 3. You are so sad because of me. I didn't mean to break your stick.
Where's my stick now?
In the fire.
Read it.
Thank you so much for watching and being a part of our journey. Until next time.